Our planet feels familiar. We see oceans, mountains, forests, and cities filled with billions of people living their daily lives. But beneath this familiar surface lies something far more mysterious. There are places on Earth that simply should not exist. Ancient structures built with impossible precision. Regions where compasses spin wildly and navigation systems fail. Locations where ships and airplanes have disappeared without a trace. And discoveries so strange that even modern science still struggles to explain them. Some researchers even believe these places might be remnants of lost civilizations, or evidence that humanity's history is far older than we've been told. Today, we are exploring some of the most mysterious places on Earth. Some of them challenge our understanding of history. Some appear to defy the laws of nature. And one of them may suggest that advanced civilizations existed long before recorded history. But be warned, the final mystery in this video might completely change the way you see our planet. Deep in the Sahara Desert lies an enormous geological formation known as the Eye of the Sahara. From space, it looks like a giant circular structure stretching nearly 50 kilometers across the desert. Perfect rings expand outward, forming a massive pattern that resembles a giant target drawn on the surface of the Earth. At first, scientists believed it must have been caused by a meteor impact. But there was one problem. There is no evidence of an impact, no melted rock, no shock minerals, no debris from a collision. Instead, the structure appears to have formed through geological processes that scientists still do not fully understand. Even more intriguing, some researchers believe this mysterious formation might match the ancient description of the legendary lost city of Atlantis. The circular structure, its massive scale, and its location not far from the Atlantic Ocean. Is it simply a natural formation, or could it be the remains of something far older? In the Atlantic Ocean lies one of the most famous mysteries in the world, a region known as the Bermuda Triangle. For decades, ships and airplanes have vanished inside this area without explanation. Pilots have reported strange glowing lights in the sky, compasses spinning uncontrollably, navigation systems suddenly failing. One of the most famous incidents occurred in 1945 when 5 US Navy aircraft known as Flight 19 disappeared during a training mission. The pilots reported that their instruments had stopped working. They became disoriented over the ocean, and then their radio transmissions suddenly ended. Even the rescue aircraft sent to find them disappeared. To this day, no wreckage has ever been recovered. Scientists have proposed explanations ranging from methane gas eruptions to unusual magnetic anomalies. But none of these theories fully explain all of the strange events reported in this region. In the deserts of Peru, enormous shapes stretch across the dry landscape. Massive drawings of animals, birds, and strange geometric symbols carved directly into the ground. These are known as the Nazca lines. Some of these shapes stretch for hundreds of meters across the desert floor. But what makes them truly mysterious is that they can only be fully seen from the air. This raises an extraordinary question. How did an ancient civilization create enormous drawings designed to be viewed from the sky thousands of years before humans invented flight? The lines were created by removing the darker stones from the desert surface, revealing lighter soil beneath. And yet, these designs have remained preserved for over 2,000 years. Some researchers believe they were ceremonial paths. Others believe they may have been astronomical markers connected to the stars. But their true purpose remains one of archaeology's greatest mysteries. Before we continue exploring these incredible mysteries, take a moment to subscribe to Hidden Civilization. We are a new channel dedicated to uncovering forgotten history, lost civilizations, and mysterious discoveries from around the world. Your support helps us continue researching these topics and bringing more fascinating stories like this to you. So, if you enjoy exploring the unknown, consider subscribing and joining us on this journey. Now let's continue, because the next discovery may have completely rewritten the history of human civilization. In southern Turkey lies one of the most astonishing archaeological discoveries ever made, a place known as Göbekli Tepe. This ancient site is estimated to be more than 11,000 years old. That means it was built thousands of years before the pyramids of Egypt, and even more surprisingly, it predates agriculture and organized civilization as we understand it. Massive stone pillars, weighing up to 20 tons, were carefully carved and arranged into enormous circular structures. Many of the pillars feature detailed carvings of animals and mysterious symbols. But according to conventional history, humans during this time were supposed to be simple hunter-gatherers. They should not have had the technology, tools, or social organization required to build structures on this scale. Yet, the evidence stands clearly in stone. Göbekli Tepe suggests that advanced knowledge may have existed far earlier than historians once believed. In 2011, a group of ocean explorers made a strange discovery on the floor of the Baltic Sea. Using sonar equipment, they detected a large circular object nearly 60 meters wide resting on the seabed. The shape appeared unusually symmetrical and strangely mechanical. Some observers even compared it to a spacecraft. Divers who investigated the object reported unusual electrical interference in the area. Equipment stopped functioning, satellite phones lost signal, and cameras malfunctioned unexpectedly. Some scientists believe the structure may simply be an unusual geological formation created during the Ice Age. Others argue that its shape appears too precise to be natural. After years of investigation, the mystery of the Baltic Sea anomaly remains unsolved. In the desert of Turkmenistan lies a massive burning crater known as the Door to Hell. The fiery pit has been burning continuously for more than 50 years. It began in 1971 when a Soviet drilling operation accidentally collapsed into a natural gas cavern beneath the desert. To prevent dangerous gas from spreading, scientists ignited the gas, expecting it to burn out in a few days. But the flames never stopped. For decades, the crater has continued to burn, creating an enormous glowing pit visible for kilometers at night. Standing at its edge feels like staring into the center of the earth. Hidden in the jungles of Costa Rica are hundreds of mysterious stone spheres. Some are small enough to move by hand, others weigh more than 15 tons. What makes them extraordinary is their shape. They are almost perfectly round. Many of them display a level of precision that even modern engineers find difficult to replicate. No one knows exactly who made them, or how ancient people carved such perfect spheres without advanced technology. Their purpose also remains unknown. Some believe they were used as markers. Others think they may have held ceremonial or astronomical significance. High in the mountains of Tibet stands one of the most sacred and mysterious mountains on Earth, Mount Kailash. This mountain has never been climbed, not because it is impossible, but because it is considered sacred by several major religions. Even more fascinating is its appearance. The mountain has an almost perfectly symmetrical pyramid-like shape. Satellite images reveal unusual geometric patterns along its slopes. Some travelers who visit the area report strange experiences. They claim time seems to behave differently there. Some even report that hair and nails appear to grow unusually fast during their stay. Whether these stories are myth or something stranger remains unknown. Off the coast of Japan lies a mysterious underwater structure known as the Yonaguni Monument. Discovered in 1986 by a diver exploring the seabed, the structure resembles a massive stone pyramid. It features large terraces, flat platforms, and staircase-like formations that appear almost artificial. If this structure was built by humans, it could be more than 10,000 years old. That would mean it existed before the end of the last ice age, when sea levels were much lower. Some geologists argue that the formations could be natural rock patterns shaped by erosion. Others believe the sharp angles and terraces suggest human construction. The debate continues to this day. And finally, perhaps the most mysterious place on Earth, Antarctica. Beneath its massive ice sheets lie mountains, lakes, and landscapes that have been hidden for millions of years. Satellite scans have revealed unusual shapes buried deep beneath the ice. Some researchers believe entire ancient landscapes may remain frozen below the surface. There are even claims that pyramid-like structures may exist beneath Antarctica's ice. If the ice were ever to melt, what might we discover? Lost cities, ancient civilizations, or secrets about our planet that have been hidden for thousands of years? Our world is far more mysterious than we often realize. Despite all our modern technology, there are still countless places on Earth that challenge our understanding of history and science. Every new discovery raises new questions, and perhaps the biggest mystery of all is this: what else is still hidden on our planet, waiting to be discovered? If you enjoyed exploring these mysteries, subscribe to Hidden Civilization for more videos about lost civilizations, ancient discoveries, and the unexplained secrets of our world. Because the deeper we explore our past, the more mysterious it becomes.